Movie night isn't complete without snacks, but spending too much can ruin the fun. Don't worry, I've got you. Here are 10 food combos under $2 each that taste amazing and keep your night affordable. Let's get started. Number 1. Popcorn plus melted chocolate drizzle. Air-popped popcorn drizzled with a few squares of melted chocolate. Sweet, salty, and way cheaper than theater snacks. Number 2. Nachos plus salsa dip. Tortilla chips topped with budget salsa, a crunchy, tangy combo you'll love for less than $2. Number 3. Hot dog plus fries. Slice one hot dog and serve with homemade oven fries. Classic, filling, and perfect for movie munching. Number 4. Garlic bread plus marinara dip. Toasted garlic breadsticks with warm marinara sauce. Comfort food on a budget. Number 5. Popcorn plus powdered cheese. Coat popcorn with powdered cheese or nutritional yeast. Cheesy and addictive without the cost. Number 6. Mini pancakes plus syrup dip. Tiny pancakes made from cheap pancake mix, served with syrup for dipping. Fun finger food under $2. Number 7. Peanut butter and banana sandwich bites. Slice a banana and spread peanut butter between pieces. Sweet, protein-packed, and affordable. Number 8. Instant ramen plus egg. Upgrade a simple ramen pack with a boiled egg. Warm, filling, and movie night ready. Number 9. Crackers plus cream cheese spread. Basic crackers topped with cream cheese. Simple, creamy, and surprisingly satisfying. Number 10. Popcorn plus spicy chili powder. Give plain popcorn a kick with chili powder and salt. Bold flavor, low price. Movie night doesn't need expensive snacks. With these 10 combos under $2, you'll keep the fun going without hurting your wallet. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cheap and tasty food ideas.